Hello guys, welcome back into another educative video guys. So in this video we're going to be talking about good RMB and bad RMB guys. So a lot of students have been complaining that they get their accounts banned, and I was wondering, why will you get your account banned? I already lay out the blueprint for you guys, the steps to follow, everything you need to do. Then why do you still get your account blocked? Then I later find out that these people, they are going to a new faces to buy their fund from, and those are one of the things that will cause Alipay getting bad guys. So welcome back into another video. So that will be all we'll be talking about today guys. So, and why would they get their account banned? It's just simple. They were sold bad RMB guys. And how do you know bad RMB? Actually, you can't be able to identify that if the RMB you are buying is a bad fund or a good fund. So the best way to avoid this is by sticking to one vendor guys. So let's just say the vendor I've been using for years, and I also give them the contact of the vendor that keeps using the vendor. I've been using them for years now, and I haven't get my account blocked or anything like that before. So I've already given you the blueprint, but no, these people are looking for cheap fund guys. So you can't be looking for cheap RMB guys. For an example now, RMB is sold for like the difference between RMB and like the gain this RMB vendor make is like 5 naira, 2 naira, or 3 naira. So there is no enough gain in RMB selling guys. So these people, like when they have like a lot of order, that is how they make money. That's why I don't sell RMB guys. I just hate the headache guy, because the money is too small for me. Yes, though, after you have a lot of people that buy from you, then you'll be making money guys. So these people are not trying to scam you. If they tell you that today's rate is 223 per dollar per yuan guys, they're not trying to scam you guys. That is the price they are selling. Buy from them. You already know these verified vendor guys. Buy from verified vendors. Don't be going on Facebook and seeing like random people and buy bad phone from them guys. So here is how bad phone happen. So for an example now, let's say there's someone that got scammed in China guys. Yes, because there's scammers everywhere guys. So there's Yahoo everywhere. So these people, they send the money to your own Alipay. You understand? So that is how the money turns to bad form. So the person they steal the money from, if he or she went to the bank and complained that, oh, my money was stolen, then they will have to block the account where the money enters guys. So that is why most people do get their Alipay account banned, because they are not buying from verified seller. But good fund good fund on the other hand, it's just a straightforward like you saving money into your another account, then transferring to someone else. So it is that easy guys. But actually we are not in China, so we'll have to buy from those people that are verified, like those people that have a verified vendor. So those are the people you should buy from guys. And also, you should also keep it in your mind that when you buy a bad fund guys and your account got blocked, you should also know that there is a risk of you not being able to be issued visa when you want to travel to China. Yes, your visa might got denied, or they might even approve. Then when you landed in Chinese airport guys, you will be arrested. But now, because your information, it is identified as a fraud, so they believe you are a fraudster. So don't buy from anyhow vendors guys. So anybody you learn importation for, the person would always table, like the person will give you a blueprint, we give you a number of RMB seller. So you should always stick to that person guys. Even if that person rates is expensive guy, you should buy from that person, because buy from different vendor will get your account blocked. So you shouldn't do that. That's why if you notice, most RMB seller, they don't sell less than 100 RMB. Why? Because when they do a lot of transaction and they sell like 20 RMB to this person, 10 RMB to this person, 5 RMB to this person, then there will be a problem. Why? Because China believe those kind of activities might be scam, so they might get an account blocked. So that's why they sell minimum of 100, because when they sell minimum of 100 to a lot of people, they'll be like, oh, this person is still like doing business or something. But if they sell less than 100 and they are selling to a lot of different accounts, then their Alipay might be flagged as a fraudulent activities guys. So that is why those people don't sell Like they don't sell minimum of 100, guys. So those are one of the things to know, guys. So I don't want to make this video to be too long, guys. So I just decided to give you blueprints on why your Alipay is getting bad, guys. So always buy from a verified vendor that has a track record, guys. So don't just buy from anyhow vendor, guys. So that is how it is, guys. And if you like this kind of content, guys, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, because on our channel we discuss about finances and importation, guys. So we don't want to miss out on our next drop, guys. And thank you for tuning in into today's video, and I'll see you next time.